people? It is a wonderful day, and you guys already know probably where we're at. We are at Mark's shop because the second gen bed is not going to sand itself. So we are here so excited for this fun day of just awesome body work. You can tell my sarcastic voice, but anyway, today, great day. Anyway, it's very windy, it's very cold, but we are going to get this day started. Yeah, whole bunch of sandpaper today. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. All right, Mark. Good morning, Mark. Good freaking morning, Mark.
Good morning.
All right, look at this. Look at this bed. We got a bed and we got a sander. That's what today looks like, boys.
Yeah.
All right, so bed prep key. Because we're gonna undercoat this because we can't have it be white.
It's not gonna be undercoated.
Well, yeah, bed lined, whatever.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
It's gonna get the Raptor.
Yeah, Raptor.
Same as we did on.
I don't know if you guys are really gonna be able to pick any of this up in the camera, but
all right.
We got 80 grit.
80 grit for Raptor liner. That's what you want to use. That's what's gonna make it grab really good. You put it on a DA sander, and it takes a while.
That's it. There's no more steps. That's it, right there. Oh boy.
Okay. Like this.
All right, so what about just using a red Scotch spray pad? That's halfway.
You'll go over with it when you're done. No, but a red Scotch spray pad is nowhere near 80 grit. Red Scotch spray pad is like 320.
Oh, gotcha.
So then what you do is, like in your spots here, you grab a piece. You know.
Oh, you got to do that by hand too?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's not fun.
This is not going to be a fun day.
It's not fun.
That's all right. Getting it done.
And then you will use a red Scotch spray pad just as precautionary, just to run over. You know,
to make sure.
That little bit of shiny spot you missed.
All right.
That's it. But anywhere where there's flaky paint, you wanna feather that.
8 foot bed of fun here. All right, here we go. Lunchtime update, because I'm sure you guys wanted to watch multiple clips of me sanding. Said nobody ever, but we are actually maybe about like 75% done. I really just have like from about here left. Mark, what's the next step? We're moving on to the outside after this.
We're gonna mark all the dings in it.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys, they're there.
We're gonna mark them all, and then tomorrow you're gonna fix the dings.
I'm gonna fix the dings?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
We're gonna clean this other spot up.
We're gonna grind this out.
Yeah, this
we're gonna be back tomorrow.
I don't think this. I don't even think it's rusted. I think it just was a pretty good dent here, and it just cracked from the Bondo being, and there was too much Bondo. So we're gonna grind this out and see what we're dealing with here.
So we should be able to finish up the inside of the bed easily today, mark down all of the dents, and then tomorrow start working on the outside of the bed. So that is the next step. Mark's been over here working on the Sexcursion. Mark, you got the doors all done?
The doors, oh yeah, no, they're done. We're finishing up a little bit of mechanical stuff.
Woo! Mark's changing his rotar.
Yeah, we're getting close.
Nice. All right, back to sanding we go. Wrap this up by the end of the day. Alrighty, bed sanding completely done where we are gonna actually bed line. We're gonna run the tape line pretty much here. We're actually not gonna come over the rail. We're kind of gonna leave that painted scene. It's not really a quote unquote work truck. So we're gonna run the bed liner kind of up underneath here, paint the rest of that. Right now we got our man Mark over here. We are circling little dents. Wow. Mark's circling stuff that I can't even see. It's there. All right, so we're graffitiing the side of my truck, pointing out all the dents, little dents here or there. I think we're gonna fix those first, and then I can start sanding the bed. So project white, delete all of the white, full effect. Look at that. Look at those eyes. Those are the eyes of concentration right there. All right. What did we find there, Marky Mark?
Very good news.
And you kind of called that. You said it might just be a dent.
Yeah, it was a dent, and it was just they had a lot of Bondo here. And what happened was see, sometimes when you see Bondo cracking like that,
yeah,
and that's why I said, oh, maybe it's building up rust.
Yeah,
but
and it was cracking like right on the seam right here too.
Considering you got these two dents here.
I don't know if you guys can't really see it. It's kind of, there we go. We can kind of see it there.
You got these two dents here in the fender coming out.
Okay.
So what happened was this was Bondoed already.
Yeah.
And something just flexed this fender in.
Oh, okay.
That's what happened. That's why you got these two little dents coming out. So we'll straighten them out, and we're gonna straighten this out more and redo this. Gotcha. But that's good news. You got there's
no rust on this bed. It's kind of crazy because the cabs and the rockers are kind of but there's nothing. Underneath the bed is really, really clean. So we got like a couple little things going on down there. Little thing here.
Minor stuff.
Little thing here, little thing there. On this side, it's really just a couple very small little things to make it perfect, and then we'll be good. So the bed is not really gonna take a ton of time. The rest of the truck might take a little bit of time, but the bed's not too bad. So
no, we're good.
We're gonna keep chopping away.
Good.
Guys, we had to switch over to the Potato Cam 5000. We're having some technical difficulties, but we are moving along. Not a whole lot of steps in between because, well, my hand's probably in front of the microphone. Maybe if that's a little better. Mark, what is this? High build primer?
High build primer, yeah.
We're gonna leave it this color. We're just gonna leave it primer, but we're kidding. All of the body work on both of the bed sides are pretty much done. Fixed all of the dents. Right, Mark?
All dents are fixed. We're now doing high build primer. And next step will be do the bed liner and start sanding the outside of this thing. And
yeah, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick it up, but I actually spent quite a bit of time underneath here. Oh, that's terrible video quality, but I spent a couple hours underneath there cleaning everything up on the inside. Bed sides, inside of the bed's completely done. So bed is like, Mark, what do you say percentage wise? We're almost ready for paint, kind of, sort of.
As soon as that's done.
Yeah, we got this old girl, the Sexcursion.
Percentage wise,
yeah,
honestly, like 85.
Yeah.
85%.
So we really knocked some stuff out these 2 days, but oh man, I was knocking all over everything. There was a big man. Sorry, this is Mark. They can't see anything.
That's okay.
But really super pumped. Bed is almost completely done. Bed inside of the bed, which was a majority of yesterday, got completely done. And we're cruising.
Cruising away.
We're cruising. Mark is trying to convince me to
Not only to give it away.
Oh, you don't want me to give it away?
No.
Oh, we might be switching the color up. I don't know. Greg might have to step out of his comfort zone of black. But we'll see.
Oh, we can't give it away yet.
Oh, all right. I was going to give it right away.
Oh, I'm not letting you poo-poo it.
boys. Look at this thing. Russell's in there chatting it up. We got Andy. So sorry for the wind noise. I'm sure it's windy, but we have pushed the second gen. The sandblasting guys are coming first thing tomorrow morning. So over here is where we are going to do the sandblasting, and then that will be done. I just want to give you guys a quick walk around here of how it's set up. All right, here we go. So we have got everything disconnected, got the leaf springs out, took those out, got this thing up on jack stands here. We'll go ahead and protect the cab tomorrow when they get here. It's a little windy, but that is it. Every part of this frame, the only thing that is still connected is that one brake line. Other than that, we can get to everything. This thing should be down to bare metal tomorrow. I went and picked up all of the undercoating stuff that we're going to use after they do blast it. Man, it is cold. It is down in the teens. Yeah, it's a little chilly for sure, but should be able to get this thing cleaned up really nicely, get it back in the shop. I'm pumped. Things are starting to come together on this truck. Got a lot of big plans. Like Mark mentioned, we might, I don't know, we might not paint it black. Go figure. I found a color today that I'm kind of pumped on. I think you guys will be too. So that is the plan. We're gonna go walk back inside. We need to go home. We need to get some dinner. It's been a long 2 days doing body work. Sanding. Hello, family. We are home. Look at her go. Look at her go. Trouble. All right, so to close out this evening, Al, you should come over here and open this for me. What do we got? Oh, wow, look at that. Suction cups. So these, they're actually, I didn't know what they were. So these are actually suction cup mounts for our GoPros. So when we do actually have some light, we can actually set up some GoPros that we have to get a little bit better footage. These are actually from our man John. He reached out on Instagram and sent these to us. I'll put his Instagram name down below. So thank you very much, John. But it has been a very busy last couple days trying to get some work done on the bed. We are definitely making progress, and yeah. My hands hurt.
My fingers hurt.
Oh, well, now your back's gonna hurt because you just pulled landscaping duty.
Tired of sanding. What? You want to pull sanding duty? I didn't think so. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to do it. We got a lot of work to do this weekend, so stay tuned for those videos. That's going to do it. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already. Dinner is in the microwave, so it is now 8:30, and we need to eat, shower, edit. I'll see you guys. See you.